Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
YouTube Hype, how to use it to grow your channel. According to Statista in 2022, 500 hours of video content were added to YouTube every minute. That means if you watch YouTube all day, every day, you'd still only be able to view 0.003% of all the new content being uploaded. Even using YouTube Multiview, you're not going to touch the site. And that's before you ever get around to watching all the billions of hours of content that has already been uploaded since YouTube launched in 2005. With so much to choose from, it's all too easy to miss content that you would really love because you're not even aware that it exists. The problem is that YouTube is dominated by large accounts that inevitably make it to the top of search results, meaning that content from smaller creators gets pushed out of sight. It's obviously not possible to display every new video that's been added to YouTube, and the bigger channels are where YouTube makes the most money. However, YouTube has announced a new feature called Hype, which aims to try to swing the balance back in the direction of smaller YouTube creators once more. It allows YouTube users to promote videos that they really love, and it will help your favorite up-and-coming creators get more views and reach new fans. Here's how it works. If you're in one of the available countries, you can hype 3 times each week. If you choose, you can hype the same video 3 times or hype different videos. On Mondays at midnight, local time, YouTube will refresh your ability to hype. For example, if it's Sunday evening and you hyped twice over the past week, at midnight on Monday, you can now hype 3 times throughout the week. You can only hype long-form videos uploaded within the last 7 days from creators with 500 to 500,000 subscribers. To keep the YouTube community safe, fun, and enjoyable for everyone, there are some types of content that are not eligible to be hyped. Additionally, all content must comply with YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines. To hype a video, open the YouTube mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android. Find and view an eligible video from an eligible creator that was uploaded within the last 7 days. Swipe left on the comment preview carousel until the option to hype the video comes out. Or tap like and the carousel will change to show the option to hype. Tap hype. A card will surface with a button showing the number of points your hype is worth. Tap hype to give the points to the video. YouTube automatically updates the number of points your hype is worth based on the creator's subscriber count. The feature was beta tested in Turkey, Taiwan, and Brazil, but YouTube has said that it plans to expand to other countries in the coming months. It may not be too long before you'll be able to hype YouTube videos and give your favorite smaller creators a boost. YouTube has also said that it will listen to feedback from users about the new hype feature and will continue to make updates, so if there's something you think could be improved when hype finally arrives in your local, then be sure to let YouTube know. Again, all YouTube users can hype up to 3 times every week, but once you've used up your 3 turns, as things stand, you'll have to wait until the following week to start hyping again. YouTube already has a trending section for videos that are getting a lot of views, but the vast majority of these videos are from large accounts with millions of subscribers. It's rare to find any content from small creators in the trending section unless a video goes completely viral. Here's the clever part about the hype. YouTube wants to bring videos from the smallest creators to the fore. So when you hype a video, it's weighted based on how many subscribers a creator has. If you hype a video from a small creator, they get more points than if you hype a video from a creator that already has a bigger following. It means that even the smallest creators, who are likely to have less people following and hyping their videos, have a chance to achieve a good hype score. Earning points for your favorite videos is all well and good, but what's the point? Well, there will be a hype leaderboard, showing the top 100 most hyped videos of the week. This is where you'll be able to find new content from smaller accounts which has been directly recommended by YouTube users like yourself. Videos that get high hype scores also get a new badge on their page to show that their content has been hyped up by fans. Hype points can also help creators to see the content that is most appealing to viewers. Creators can see the content that gets hyped and the content that doesn't, which can help to focus the direction of future videos. You can easily find the leaderboard at any time by tapping the Explore menu, and you will find the hype option. After you hype a video, you can also tap leaderboard under the video to view the leaderboard of most hyped videos. You may be able to pay for more hype in the future. One update that is highly likely to occur in the future is the ability to pay a fee in order to hype more. This will let you increase the number of times that you hype from the free level of 3 times a week. YouTube's blog post states that, in the future, we plan to allow fans to purchase additional hypes, unlocking another revenue stream for creators too. Obviously, this would represent yet another revenue stream for YouTube, alongside big money makers such as ads and YouTube Premium subscriptions. However, in the overview of the feature for the current beta testers, it states that creators would receive 70% of the revenue from the purchase high points. It does seem a little like YouTube will be charging people for the privilege of liking content, but at least a reasonable chunk of that money will be going to small creators that you're hyping. YouTube hasn't yet made clear exactly how much it will cost to purchase high points, but it does run the risk of turning what is otherwise a potentially useful feature for small creators into something that is possible to simply pay to win. Before the pay to hype feature is added, however, you'll be able to promote your favorite content on a much more level playing field. As I've said, this feature is still rolling out, so keep an eye on the future updates to fully take advantage of it. That's all for today's video. Before we end this video, I'm extremely thrilled to show you Tuberank Jeet 6 AI, which is the most recent and most advanced version of Tuberank Jeet. This version includes a lot of artificial intelligence all around the app. Automate your YouTube SEO with AI and community intelligence. Get unlimited organic YouTube traffic with rankings that stick forever. Grab the secret tool that has helped build thousands of high-traffic YouTube channels. Get more views, subscribers, and build an audience for any channel you choose. Paid ads not needed. Backlinks not needed. SEO and language skills not needed. AI enhanced and AI-powered optimization at every single step. Write and rewrite your titles, descriptions, etc. with AI. Discover keywords and hashtag alternatives using AI. One-click optimization with AI. The ultimate YouTube research tool for any niche and topic. Tested and approved by YouTube. Use community-driven intelligence and AI both to rank your videos. Optimize and rank videos for any language and region. Perfect for agencies and service providers. Claim your free organic YouTube traffic with the least possible work. No more juggling dozens of complicated and expensive tools. No more burying your head in books trying to figure it all out. No more watching your traffic, sales, and future prospects dry up. Helping thousands of YouTubers rank to the top every day. Before, Tuberank Jeet 5 was available only for Windows, but now Tuberank Jeet works natively on Mac OS. All features are now available on Mac. So what are you waiting for? Get Tuberank Jeet now. Just go to tuberankjeet.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.